Thanks so much for staying with us for the weather report and forecast. Now, stable conditions are persisting across central and western portions of the Caribbean this evening. We also have some scattered clouds over the open waters of the basin. We still have moisture in our Caribbean atmosphere. Isolated thunderstorms across the southwestern portion of the area. Now, the forecast for tonight, expect generally fair skies covering most of the area. We're expecting temperatures to drop to about 24 degrees Celsius in Kingston and in Montego Bay. In the morning tomorrow, expect partly cloudy conditions, especially across sections of eastern parishes. And for the afternoon, we're expecting partly cloudy conditions as well. Expect temperatures to get to about 31 degrees Celsius in Kingston and about 31 degrees Celsius in Montego Bay. In our breakdown, we are expecting partly cloudy conditions for most of the area tomorrow. Expect isolated showers, however, if you're in Kingston or in Spanish Town or Mandeville. Expect partly cloudy conditions for most of the southwest. Partly cloudy conditions for Santa Cruz, Black River, Savannah, Lamar, and Negril. We're expecting this activity in the morning in Port Antonio and in Port Maria. Elsewhere across the north, generally stable conditions are likely across Ocho Rios, St. Ansby, and Falmouth, with partly cloudy conditions in the afternoon for Brownstown, Montego Bay, and Lucy. Now, the next few days, we are expecting isolated showers in the afternoon on Tuesday and Wednesday, and generally fair mornings and partly cloudy afternoons on Thursday and Friday. For the marine forecast on the north coast, the winds tomorrow are easterly, averaging 10 knots with wave heights averaging 1 meter. On the south coast tomorrow, expect east-southeasterlies at 15 to 20 knots with wave heights between 1.5 and 2 meters. And for offshore areas, winds are east-northeasterly at 15 to 20 knots. There are no warnings in effect. Wave heights are between 1.5 and 2 meters. And for the outlook, we're expecting an easterly regime at 15 to 20 knots on Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. That's it for the weather report and forecast for this evening. We thank you so much for watching.